Hi everyone, I'm the Booktastic Mom, and today I have a homeschool organization haul. Thank you so much for stopping by today, guys. I'm so happy you're here. I have something a little different here for you today. I have a homeschool organization haul. Probably about a month ago, if my memory serves me right, I had a 31 party online. I had it on Facebook with one of my friends, Pat. She is a consultant, and I was the hostess, and I earned a ton of hostess rewards. So I decided to take those rewards and get some organization for my homeschool room. If you don't know what 31 is and you're looking at me like, what are you talking about? Is a company kind of like Usborne, where they do parties and you have a hostess, and then you invite people to the party and they purchase things and you earn hostess rewards. And they sell bags, they sell organization things, they sell pocketbooks, wallets, luggage type bags. I have so much of this stuff. I love it. I'm obsessed. So yeah, I'm so excited to share with you what I got. So first, I got 2 of these organization cubes, and with 31 you can personalize many of the things. It does embroidery, and this is one of them, and I had it say homeschool, the little home on it. I'm going to use this box for organizing all my pencils and glue sticks and markers and all that stuff. I have probably about 10 of these little plastic pencil boxes full of things, and I'm going to stack them all inside this box. I bought one of those cube shelves. It's a 2-tier shelf. I got it at Target, and I made sure they had 2 different ones. It was the more expensive one because the smaller one only wouldn't hold these huge boxes here. But this one I'm going to use for these. And the next cube I love this one the best. I had it embroidered to say, I love books, which I love books. If you can see here, I am obsessed with children's books, and I like to collect as many as I can. And this one, you think that I was going to put books in it, but no, I'm not going to put books in it. I'm going to put games. I'm going to take all the kind of little games and puzzles and anything that's this small enough size to fit in here, I'm going to stack in here. So whenever the girls want to play a game, they can just kind of take the box and look through it and pick something out. So this is also going to go on that shelf that I bought. Next, I got this beautiful bag here. Kind of has a felty bottom and a canvas on the top, and I had it embroidered in this beautiful floral decoration with an F in the middle for my last name. And I don't know what I'm going to put in this yet. Probably something homeschool related, maybe some books in here. We'll see. If you have any suggestions of what I should put in this beautiful bag, let me know down below. And next, I got this canvas bag here, and this is going to be perfect as a kind of craft caddy. I think that's how it's advertised as, but this is perfect if you are in any kind of homeschool co-ops or homeschool groups and you need to kind of take supplies with you. This is perfect. It also can fit some school books in here. It's great for car schooling. So yeah, I'm excited to use this bag. Next up here, I got this bag. It's not a bag, what is it? Basket. Non-wooden basket. It is felt, and again I did the F embroidery with these feathers. I kind of did a pink, gray, and white theme here. kind of try to keep everything, you know, looking spiffy. As you can see here, I have books inside here. I'm going to use this as a book basket for my kindergartner. We are doing a book this year that has A through Z, and every week has a different theme. Like A is apple, B is butterfly, C is I forgot. And every week I'm going to put themed books into the basket for her, and themed, I got some themed sticker books and games, and so I'm actually going to do a whole video about that, so make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell to get notified when that video comes up. And next I got this rectangular cube storage box, and I bought the lid to go with it. They're sold separately, and this is perfect for school supplies. Again, I'm not exactly sure what is going to go inside here, but something will, because I have a lot of stuff. I am a hoarder. I do not like to get rid of anything. I have 9 years worth of homeschooling stuff here in my very small homeschool room, so these things will come in handy. Okay, next up is, I guess it's not really homeschool related, but it's homeschool mom related. And actually it could be, because it is this pocketbook here, which I love. I'm really into pocketbooks that are backpacks. So this one has straps on the back to make a backpack. You just kind of clip them somewhere. Oh, you clip them here, it's hidden. You clip them here, and then if you don't want the backpack, you can make it a over-the-shoulder bag, which is awesome. So there's many different ways, or even it's adjustable strap, so it could probably just be, it could be a crossbody, it could be over the shoulder. So I'm loving this bag, and it came with this here that is meant for a laptop or a tablet. So if you are doing work on the run, or school prep, and you want to bring your tablet or computer with you to your kids' extracurricular activities, this is great for a college student or a high schooler to carry around their schooling supplies, and looking very fashionable at the same time, I must say. The color of this was a pebble, but it has a grayish tint, but it looks a little bit on the pinkish, mauvish, is that a word? Side, which I love the color of it, and I think it also came in black. Okay, the next thing, again, is not really homeschool. Well, it can be. You could use this in your homeschool room. It actually would be perfect for a homeschool room to make it look nice and pretty and organized. It's this wooden tray, and you can get it embroidered. This is actually what's that word called? It's like embossed in there. It's it's engraved. That's the word, engraved. So it has kind of an indent in there, and again, there's the good old F there for my last name. But for homeschool, what you could do is put this in the center of your homeschool table with all kinds of mason jars inside, with pencils and colored pencils and all kinds of pretty things. So that would be a beautiful homeschool room edition. But I think I'm going to use this as a charcuterie board. And I have two more things left. These are two things that I bought. They're having a outlet clearance sale during my party. So I was able to pick these things up at a discount. I think the outlet sale is over, but you could still get, I know, this particular one in different colors and not this color here. And also, I think for every $50 you spend, you get something for 50% off, which is a great deal. Or you could have yourself a party and get some of the stuff for free. So this here is another backpack, but it is a cooler inside. So this is perfect for field trips, for like day trips, going to the beach, going for hikes. You can stick all your drinks in here and snacks and keep them nice and cold, and just wearing it on your back here. I was very excited about this. I thought this would be perfect for a trip to the amusement park. And it also has a kind of a pocket on the outside here if you don't want something to be cold. And one last thing I have for you today is this caddy here. And it's a Christmas caddy. This one I also got in the sale. I actually have a few of these caddies. I have a big one, and I think I have another one this size. And I have an insert that goes in there, and I use them all the time. I use them to go to friends' houses for the pool, or if we're going to a picnic or party, you put all the food in here. They're great for shopping. But this Christmas one in particular is because every Christmas, well, not every Christmas, starting last year, I did a advent calendar for books. And I plan to do that again this year, and I actually already started getting books. And I wrap them and do days 1 through 24, and every day they get to open a new book under the Christmas tree. I think on Instagram I have a picture from last year's one that I did, but this one's gonna be perfect to fit all the books inside. I'm obsessed with advent calendars, and I will probably do a video about them come November. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please hit that bell to be notified for upcoming videos. Please hit that thumbs up, that like button. If you are interested in these 31 products, you can contact your 31 consultant. And if you do not have one, I will share my wonderful friend Pat's information down below, and she will help you out. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you again for watching. Bye everyone.